see how you are able to think differently or build logic. Okay, problem I will give is a simple one, right? But we will see how you are building logic around it. So let's pick one list, okay, and it has value 1 2 1 2 3 4 5. Okay,
Okay.
are you writing anything? Because it is still loading, I guess, for me.
Yes. I'm listening actually. Just to give me a minute.
No, start creating class. That's fair enough. Start creating class, create a public static void main, right?
Yep.
List class. You can press enter also, that should be fine.
Yeah.
Public static void main. Create one list of integer. Okay, and it has value 1 2 3 4 5. Hey, don't do this. Use that one arrays dot as list, so that in one line you can do, right? Try to do arrays dot as list. You don't need to do new array list and all those stuff, right? See, this is why we need to revise in between.
Yeah.
Arrays dot as list. Remove that new array list. We don't need that. Yes, exactly. We don't need this. Correct. As list 1 2 3 4 5. Okay. Create one more list. Okay, and in that put the value for 3 4 5 6 7.
Three, 4, 5, 6,
7. So the problem is you need to add all the common between these two lists, okay, and then you need to add all the digits in that addition. For example, in these two numbers the common is 3 4 5. So 5 plus 3 plus 4, that is 12, right? You need to add 1 plus 2, correct? 12 has two digits, 1 and 2. You need to add 1 plus 2, and if that one is even odd, then you will print it.
Okay.
You're getting the point,
So
right?
the addition is 12. And 1 plus 2, that is the even or odd. You'll print that.
As it is odd, you will print that. Problem is not difficult, just you need to put a little bit of effort to think.
So our first problem is to identify the common elements in both the list.
Correct.
So to do that, we can compare the list and put it in the set.
Okay, there is one more way, right? List dot contents, which is the easiest one to go with, correct?
Yes, that is also one thing. It list dot contents in list, which those are contents.
Yes.
We can sort out that.
You can use set also. You can use set also. There is no harm in it. If you want to use set, go for it.
Okay. Then
First, let's discuss
once
the approach, what you are thinking. First, you will find the duplicates, that's fair enough.
then once we identified those elements, we will do the additions of that, and if the and on the addition answer, we will add the logic of even or odd, and then
no,
we
no,
will print
first,
out.
here there are two problems. How you will add those? How you will add the digits of those result? Do you know how to add the digit? Because you need to add the digit, right? 1, 2. 1, 2 are digits in 12. So there is a formula over there how to add the digits. If you have noticed that formula, we may have used in palindrome, I guess.
N modulus 10, n divided by 10, so we get the last digit,
Correct.
and
And then
accordingly we
n
can add.
slash equal to 10.
Right.
That one you need to imply.
Yes.
Right. So basically this problem is to how you can think in a phased manner, right? Because you need to think in three phases. You cannot just think as a whole. First, you need to think as a three phases and then try to combine them.
Right.
Right? Can you try to do it?
Right. Mm-hmm.
Let's give it a try. Okay. Let's first find the
Okay.
common and take the addition. Let's first do that. Let's get the value 12. Then we will think on top of it.
I don't know what this will give. No. This. Mm.
I assume you are not taking help of Google.
No. Mm, no, it will not give it me like this.
You will do like this in interview.
Oh no. I,
What you are trying to do?
I'm trying to get the elements to do the additions. So what I have done is the create a set, taken the commons, and then from the commons I am trying to do the addition of that digits. Uh, mm, mhm.
So here what you are trying to do? Can you show me once? You have not added in the
Okay.
first loop. You could have added in. Okay, okay, got it. Okay, could have done the addition in the first loop only, right? Find common element and then you have done that, right?
Mhm.
What you are doing with the get later equals
If there are multiple digits, so if they, I am checking first if there anything in the set or not. If it is there, then go and iterate with the each element and do the addition like that.
Let me tell you in a easier way, okay? Approach.
Okay.
So in
Mhm.
one loop, okay, because you are unnecessarily wasting multiple loops, okay. So in one loop, you could have just do that if list two dot contains I, right? For example, I, then sum plus equal to that I. Done. Your sum is created, right? In one loop, two lines. No need
Okay.
of set
So
and all. So one loop for sum, one loop for digit sum. Two loop topic close. Instead of thinking about all those complex ones, right? Always
mhm.
remember, whenever somebody is asking to play around with list, look at the list dot contains. That's why I've given it in the document. That is pretty critical code. Okay, you
Okay.
cannot kind of miss that part because that is important one for sure. Hmm?
Mhm.
Right? How you will
Right.
use contains? हाँ.
So you said that if int list 2 dot contains I,
Not I exactly, but yeah, okay, huh. Nah, I, correct.
then
So, okay.
if int list 2 contains
I, it should not be I actually.
int list
Dot get I, right?
dot right it
See, this is how why it is important to remember the methods. Huh? Do one thing.
right.
Create a small cheat sheet kind of thing. You will mention
Mm-hmm.
about split, replace of string, reversal of string, list creation, list looping, methods of contains and get I. Okay. Similarly, array,
Mm-hmm.
how to fetch array and map. Put it a list and paste it on your laptop. Okay.
Okay.
Because these things, now you need to look at it every day, or else you will forget. I'm 100% sure you will forget, no matter how much you
Yes.
try. Okay, this
Yes,
is something which
that
you
will
will
have.
forget. That's why I told you let's revise this. Okay.
Right. So int sum equal to sum plus I. I need to declare this. Right. Now, if sum is greater than 0, then we need to go for the while loop. That we need one only, and we don't need.
You could have. Hey, again, sum plus I
Hmm.
or int list dot get I. Line number 21.
Yes, yes, yes.
Sum plus equal to int list dot get I. You could have created a
Yes.
variable also if you are using it twice, but that's fair enough. You know, you would have used